All our life, we've been told you need to do good in school. You need to get into a college. You need to prepare for what you want to do in life, for that perfect job, for that dream job you want. Well, I've been asking myself, what do I want to do in life? What is my dream job? This is because I've been reflecting on the classes I've been taking and how my parents have dealt with the medical field. One of my parents is a nurse, actually. I've thought I wanted to be a doctor, but it's not the case anymore. The class I took that really made me want to reflect was a STEM class in high school. It was the best decision I ever made. It was basically laboratory stuff, research on biomedical advancements, and just research in general. And it really made me think I really do love this research side of the medical field. So I've decided I wanted to be a clinical pathologist. My dream job was to pursue clinical pathology. Now, what is clinical pathology? What is a clinical pathologist? Well, a clinical pathologist is a scientist that's usually stationed in laboratory settings such as hospital, biological labs, etc. They study like body samples such as tissues, cells, even body fluids. They really test for pathogens, etc., so they can help diagnose, help get the treatment you need, and help stop the spread. They do a range of studies such as microbiology, toxicology, immunology. It's really fascinating. Now, how do you become a clinical pathologist? Well, first you need a bachelor's in either biology, chemistry, or pre-med. Some people get a master's after the bachelor's degree. That's just optional. But you do need 4 years of medical school because you're going into the medical field. You need a 4-year residency in a local hospital because you need to have experience. Experience is everything. After that, you could be able to get your certification to study medicine. You really need this. It's different to obtain in different states, just to let you know. Uh, you're probably asking, why is clinical pathology important? Well, you ever heard of something called COVID-19? I'm sure you have. It's impossible not to know in 2020. Well, these are the people that study the samples that they get from the test, and let's just say knowledge is power. What you don't know really can hurt you. Once they test and they find out that you do have COVID or some other disease, they can tell you that you need to be quarantined, you need treatment, so you don't spread it to people you love or just random people in general. It really stops the spread. And it's just amazing that knowledge really is power, because it can hurt anyone if you're ignorant or you just ignore the problem.